Welcome! This is a brief video demonstrating the highlights of the integration between RemoteEyes PosWatch software and the Milestone XProtect video management system. Let us begin with a discussion of the business problem that PosWatch addresses. The reality that many retail and hospitality operators face is that as many as 75% of their employees are engaged in some level of insider theft, resulting in significant business losses. Trade associations estimate that shrinkage as high as 3% of income can be directly attributed to employee theft. If operators are able to reduce employee theft substantially, it would result in thousands of dollars in additional monthly cash flow on a per-store basis. RemoteEyes PosWatch is software developed by Odyssey Technologies specifically to reduce employee theft. A key area where most employee theft occurs is at the cash register. Point-of-sales exceptions such as voids, no sales, item deletions, coupons, and discounts can all be manipulated by dishonest employees to create opportunities for pocketing cash undetected. PosWatch tightens control on the POS registers by acquiring transaction data in real time from the POS system and integrating it with the video surveillance system. PosWatch stores all POS transaction data in an easily searchable SQL database. Management can search the database at any time by POS exception code, employee name, POS register number, cash tender amount, or other search criteria. Viewing the transaction data in this way, management can quickly hone in on suspicious transaction activity that warrants further investigation. Video surveillance is the tool management uses for deeper investigation of suspicious POS transactions. Each transaction in the PosWatch database is directly linked with archived video in the surveillance system. Optionally, the video can include a text overlay representation of the POS transaction so that management can easily review employee actions as the transaction is unfolding in real time. Key video documenting suspicious transactions and possibly dishonest employee behavior can be easily snipped from the surveillance archive, stored separately, and shared with other members of the management team or ownership group. PosWatch works with over 50 different POS software packages, including major brands such as Brink, Radiant, Micros, and Aloha. If your POS system is not already supported, please contact us so we can develop a new integration for your project. PosWatch also integrates with license plate recognition cameras for users with the need to track vehicle activity on their property, for example, a multi-tenant residential community. The same integration method applies to access control systems as well, giving property managers tighter control over entry and egress activities at their properties. PosWatch works seamlessly with Milestone XProtect video management software. Our Milestone integration gives PosWatch users rapid and easy-to-use video playback during transaction searches, unlimited scalability in terms of numbers of cameras in the video system, a web client interface, full on-VIF support, a Windows Smart Client app, and a mobile phone app. Please contact the Odyssey sales team for more information about PosWatch and our integration with Milestone. You can reach us toll-free on 888-291-6379 or by emailing sales@remoteeyes.com. And now we are going to give you a brief demo of how the PosWatch software works with Milestone XProtect. First, since we are in a lab environment and not in a live store, we are using a POS simulator package to generate a constant stream of transaction data for a couple of POS registers. PosWatch server connects directly with the POS system to acquire the POS transaction data, filter it, and store it in a SQL database. PosWatch can optionally send the formatted POS data to the video surveillance system for real-time text overlay. A client user of Milestone XProtect can view the POS register cameras with the text overlay that is generated by PosWatch. This is used for live monitoring of a store to spot check for employee activity on the registers. More typically, management will use PosWatch client software to search the PosWatch SQL database. Since the data records are structured, it is easy to search by register, employee number, transaction type, ticket number, etc. Any line item of interest can quickly be viewed in context by clicking on Show Ticket to show the ticket in its entirety. Surveillance video can be viewed at any time by clicking on Display Video. Note that the video is displayed right at the point where the transaction of interest occurred. The video player includes controls for navigating the video, both forward and reverse, and creating video snippets documenting the suspicious activity. Thank you for spending a few minutes with us learning about using PosWatch to dramatically reduce employee theft in your store. Please contact us by phone or email for more information.